I wanted to record this because I've been having some really honest conversations with homeowners lately. People will say, nothing is really wrong with my house, but keeping up with it just feels heavier than it used to. If that sounds familiar, I want you to hear this clearly. That feeling isn't a failure, it's information. Most maintenance costs don't feel big on their own. Landscaping, snow removal, heating and air conditioning, roofing, general upkeep. But when you add them all up year after year, they become a real part of the cost of staying. And it's not just the money, it's the weekends, the projects, the mental list that never quite goes away. At some point, the question shifts from can I still manage this to do I still want to? When people think about cost, they usually think in dollars, but time and energy matter. They matter just as much. Time spent maintaining is time not spent doing the things you want to, like traveling, relaxing, or enjoying with family. Energy spent on upkeep is energy not spent on what matters most now. For many people, downsizing isn't about giving up. It's about buying back time and reducing the number of things competing for your attention. I want to say this clearly because a lot of people struggle with it. Letting go of maintenance is not giving up independence. For many people, it's how they protect it. Choosing ease doesn't mean you can't do something. It means you're choosing how you want to spend your time now. How you spent it 20 years ago might be different. Planning doesn't force that choice. It simply lets you see what options support your life best. If this resonates and you'd like help thinking through maintenance, time, and lifestyle calmly and without pressure, you can comment plan or you can reach out to us directly. Choosing ease is allowed. Planning just helps you do it intentionally. Sometimes when I share this, people pause because they realize they've been carrying more than they thought. Not because anything's wrong, but because life has changed and their house hasn't. And that's such a quiet moment. It's not dramatic, it's just honest. And honestly, noticing that is a form of clarity. I think so many people assume clarity has to come from a big decision, but most of the time it comes from small realizations like this. So if this is something you've been thinking about lately, you're not behind. You're just having clarity and you're paying attention. I've learned that ease isn't something you earn later. It's something you're allowed to choose.